Thank you, Commissioner. I just have a few quick questions. When it comes to Black home ownership and brown home ownership, we know that the numbers have been down historically, and we would love to see, I just want to know what support are we giving to people to own their home, to own a home finally. When it comes to NYCHA, I have to listen to my residents. They do not trust the trust. So we need to know what kind of funding, if any, or what kind of help or assistance can we offer NYCHA at this point. Mitchel-Lama makes it easy for young people and people who are middle to low income to own a home. And so I would love to know what, if anything, we are doing for our Mitchel-Lamas. And if you have any idea on short-term rentals in the city so that people can find another way of creating income for themselves in the city. So Black home ownership, NYCHA funding, Mitchel-Lamas, and short-term rentals.
Okay, I'll try my best here. So on NYCHA, understood we believe that we want to give NYCHA as many tools as they can to be successful, and so we are just continuing to work with the city administration on the trust. I think as it relates to short-term rentals and income for people, and I don't know if this is what you mean, but I think we are hopeful that with the accessory dwelling legislation in the city, that will allow people to take units that are not legal and make them legal and make them safe for tenants who live there, because we do understand that obviously that provides income for the homeowners who have those accessory dwelling units, the basement apartments or the attic apartments. And then I think on Black home ownership and Mitchel-Lama, we have a fixed amount of Mitchel-Lamas in the city right now, and we work really hard to make sure that they can stay in the program, that they can stay in good repair. I do think that what Senator Myrie was just asking about, this effort that we have around putting some funding aside for new models of home ownership, like a Mitchel-Lama structure or a limited equity and a co-op structure. We're really excited to start doing more of those and really want to get at the supply side of this and make sure that there are houses for people to buy that are affordable. And we have tried, as I've talked about a little bit before, we launched last year a Give Us Credit program, which looked at places where we saw Black homeowners getting rejected at double the rate of white homeowners holding constant for income around the state. And we've gone into all those around 33 places around the state, and we are making sure that people are aware of our Sunny May mortgage program. We are making sure that people understand what their opportunities are, that they have financial literacy, and really trying to, the Black homeownership rate in New York is no better than it is in the rest of the country, and it's not good. And so we are hopeful that a series of tools, both on the mortgage side as well as on the supply side, will help make a dent in that.